Abdul Rahman bin Shamasa states that he entered the presence of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha in order to ask something from her. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked, "Whom do you belong to?" I replied, "I belong to the Egyptian." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked, "How does your ruler treat you during a war?" I replied, "We did not experience any annoying thing from him. If a camel of any one of us dies, he grants him a camel. If a slave dies, he grants him a slave. If someone needs a living allowances, he gives him the living allowance." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "What he has done to my brother Muhammad bin Abu Bakr cannot restrain me from narrating this hadith. I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say in this apartment, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whoever of my ummah becomes a custodian or a ruler of my ummah and treats them harshly, you may be strict with him. If he treats them compassionately, be lenient with him.'" Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4699.